Trying to force your ground contact time lower can actually make you less efficient and significantly increase your injury risk. Your watch tracks two metrics that sound complicated, but are actually simple physics. Vertical oscillation is how high you bounce, and ground contact time is how long your foot stays on Earth. Think of your body as a spring. Vertical oscillation represents vertical energy displacement. If you bounce too high, you're spending energy fighting gravity rather than moving forward. Ground contact time, or GCT, is the braking phase. The longer your foot is down, the more friction you create, killing your momentum. Elite sprinters are under 200 milliseconds. Most of us are between 250 and 300 milliseconds. However, here is the nuance most runners miss. You cannot optimize these numbers just by thinking about them. If you actively try to run flatter to lower your oscillation, you usually end up shuffling. Shuffling destroys your elastic energy return. You actually need some vertical motion to compress the tendons in your legs so they can spring you forward. So, don't use these metrics as a technique score to fix in real time. Instead, use them as check engine lights. The most valuable application is monitoring fatigue during long runs. Watch what happens to your GCT at the end of a marathon or long run. As your core and glutes fatigue, you sit lower in your stride, and your contact time spikes. This is your cue that your form is breaking down. You can also use these numbers to test shoes. Run at a fixed pace in two different pairs. If one shoe gives you significantly lower GCT at the same heart rate, it's likely returning more energy to you. If you want to improve these numbers safely, don't change your form. Increase your cadence slightly, and incorporate plyometrics like box jumps and skipping into your gym routine. Remember, vertical oscillation and ground contact time explain why you are efficient or inefficient, but they aren't the instruction manual for how to run. Build the engine, and the metrics will follow. Data diagnoses the problem. Strength training provides the cure.